Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix no signal problem on your monitor on PC or laptop. So if you have this issue, there's more than one thing that you can actually try or see if that fixes your issue. So the first thing that you can do is to check your cable connections. So sometimes if your cable have some issues or problems, it might cause this issue. So you need to check if your cable is fully connected and fully stable and doesn't have any issues and plugged in correctly in the right place. And if there's no problem with the cable, you can actually try another fix. So if the cable is the issue, you can just try to change it, or you can try to connect with another option. Like if you are connecting using VGA, try HDMI or other option. Also, you can try to check your monitor input source. So if you have multiple input sources on your monitor such as HDMI, VGA or DVI, make sure that the correct input source is selected. You can usually change the input source by pressing a button on your monitor. Sometimes it's actually just connected correctly, but the channel on the monitor is not selected correctly. Also, you can try restarting your computer, or you can try to update your monitor drivers. So that may actually fix your issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.